Alright, welcome. Like what I promised, I would do an unboxing video for all the gifts that you guys gave me. I appreciate it again. To all my Southridge students, these is going to be the unboxing video for all the wonderful gifts that you guys gave me. And again, I'm really sad to be not be teaching there anymore, but you guys were a wonderful set of students. With that being said, let's start with the an opening. Okay. Please understand that if you didn't put your name on it, I don't forgot who you are. Okay, so let's start off with from you. I don't know who you are. Okay, I don't even know how to pronounce most of your names. Okay, Daniela Zam something. Okay, you got me. Let's see, milk chocolate truffles. Okay, you see that? Look. I'm doing what the makeup people do. Okay, all right. So let's see how it is. Okay. Unbox that. See, I'm doing it like the professionals. And these are milk chocolate truffles. Truffles are like mushrooms, so not no sure. They're like a mini ball. So, what? What is? Oh, it breaks easy. Oh, mm, mm. Alright, that's good. Really like it. Yeah, milky, sticky. Yeah. Mm. So, thank you, Daniela, for your gift. I appreciate it very much. That was a wonderful gift. Oh man. So then someone got me peppermint park. So not sure what these are. Peppermint. So okay. Let's see. All right. Okay. So peppermint park. These look good. Hopefully. I'm gonna take a small piece of it. There's a lot of candy in here. Peppermint. Oh, there's something nutty in there. Mm. Yeah. This is very interesting. It's like you get the you get the peppermint, so you get like a very bitter, minty flavor. Then you get chocolate. It's good. It's very interesting. It's like people who like chocolate caramel. All right, so not sure who gave me this, but very thoughtful. So thank you. Um, um, penguin gift wrap. Oh, more chocolate. Okay, I have type 2 diabetes, kids. So come on, stop giving me chocolate here. Ooh. You see? So, regular chocolate, peppermint with chocolate. Now we have cherries with chocolate. Oh man, that's gonna be interesting. Oh, it's in the cups. Look, ooh, interesting. Okay, I'm gonna only try a little bit. So much chocolate, so much chocolate. Okay, I'm already fat enough, so let's see. See how it is. Oh, you see? You see, it's like the stuff on the inside. Oh, oh my god. Oh my gosh, there's those cherries. Oh, alright. Oh, oh my god, there's those cherries. Who put cherries in chocolate? That's so bad. Okay, thank you, but oh, oh my gosh. Yeah, yeah, interesting. Okay. Next, we have a small gift here. I think, not sure who gave me this. I think fifth period. I think. Thank you again. Again, I forgot your names. Oh, hey, look, ramen favorite noodles. I like these. There's multiple ways I could eat this, but I really like these. This is like the worst for your health, and there's like really bad byproducts in here. This is like the worst thing you could eat, but I'm gonna eat it because it's really bad for me. So thank you again. This is very thoughtful and funny. I really like thoughtful and funny jokes. Yeah, you're great. You are very great giving me ramen. That's hilarious. Okay. Oh, we have a card, so let's read the card. Dear Mr. S, but I never thought I would say this, but I'm going to miss you. I know I made you grow white hair. I have, look, right? Because I couldn't understand simple math. The good thing is that I finally learned something because out of the 2 years, I felt like I didn't learn, and you pushed me till I stressed, and it finally clicked. Remember me and Albert, and that's funny. Okay, okay, and okay, um, okay. Even though your memes were trash. Okay, there were other stuff in here, but yeah. So thank you for your card. It's very thoughtful. That was from Sandra. Thank you, Sandra. I'm glad you learned math in my class. That's very thoughtful. I'm not gonna read the middle part. That's hilarious though. But we'll see. Yay! So thank you. I love cards. It's very meaningful. I still have all my cards from all my previous students. You guys do not know, but I take teaching very seriously, and it's very close to my heart. So each time students write me, thank you cards or like anything about my teaching, it's really appreciated, negative or positive, because teaching is who I am, and you basically validate my existence as a teacher. So I appreciate all these wonderful cards. I always keep them. I never throw them away. So this is great. Thank you. Next, um, this little bell is from forgot sixth period, um, Radcliffe. So thank you, Radcliffe, for these wonderful bells. If I had a dog, I would put this on the dog and have it run. So that's cute. For okay, not sure what that is about. Um, Second period. I know. Second period. I know. This is someone from second period. Forgot your name though. Okay. Again. Oh, is there some? Oh, you didn't write anything in here. Okay. But thank you. I will try it. Please don't be like the chocolate with the cherries on it. Oh, that was so. That was. Yeah, I could not. Oh, I don't want to lose this. This is beautiful. Maybe I could put it right here. So, listen. All right. Let's open this. That'd be funny if there's a worm in here. Ah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Cool. Oh, dude, this is hot chocolate. I didn't know that. Oh, cool. I can make hot chocolate because I'm still sick. Dude, this is cool. I like this. Hot chocolate milk. Oh, man, there's a tin can. Cool. I like this. And I could save the tin can and I could put like other stuff in it. Ah, thank you, second period student. I forgot your name. I'm sorry. I forgot all my students' names. I'm sorry. But I love all you guys. Thank you. Thank you for the hot chocolate. Hey, low calories too. Look, it's only 120. And like all these students. So thank you for the expo markers. You guys know I always go through a lot of expo markers because I make you guys come up and do problems on the board. So they're right. Thank you for the expo markers. Greatly appreciate it. I'm gonna always be using these and eating them. And sugar cookies. I love sugar cookies, especially the ones you get at Norgate. So, but let's see. There's tape here. And ooh, I'm not gonna eat this one quite yet, but it looks good. I love the star, and I love the tin can. So thank you. I know you're from second period because I remember this. From second period. So thank you, second period. I am one student. Very thankful. I love the sugar cookies. And I think fifth period. So you gave me wonderful dollar store pen. Again, the thought counts, and I love the thought. It's very thoughtful. Because look, you guys don't have money. Let's be honest, okay? And you guys went out and like got me something. That's very thoughtful. That's just like very thoughtful. Like for me, it's not even like getting the gift. It's like I feel appreciated that you guys even like considered getting me a gift because like let's be honest, like you are young, you're very selfish. so it means a lot when you get a gift for someone. So thank you so much. I like the pens and the fact that there's an erase marker and there's a pen right here. Okay, let's be honest. I'm still not gonna use the eraser. Right, I'm just gonna use my sleeve or my hand. Okay, but I like how it clips here. Although these aren't expo markers, but let's see if expo markers would fit in here. But yeah, thank you again. Thank you so much. You might not think it means a lot, but it means a lot getting gifts from students because it just means that people appreciate you, and that's wonderful. Okay. Oh yeah. There was a card here. This is from Maritza. Yay, Maritza, first period. Maritza, you worked really hard, so I really appreciate that. And she gave me a Starbucks card. Yay, Starbucks. Uh, so I appreciate the Starbucks. Very thoughtful because very thoughtful. Coffee. I need a lot of coffee, but you know, very thoughtful. Um, Thank you to Maritza from first period. You're awesome. Thank you for working hard in my class. I know. So one of the greatest gifts that you guys gave me this year was just your effort. Okay, I really appreciate a lot of you trying your best, and a lot of you tried your best and failed, which is great because that's the purpose, right? You're always going to fail because the first time you do something, you're still might fail. That's how life works. Okay? When they design any product, any innovative product, the first prototype always fails. Okay? So don't be afraid. So I'm really glad a lot of you trust me and had faith in me to teach you guys. And Maritza, you're one of the students who tried hard and failed, and tried hard and failed, and tried hard and failed. But in the end, you were successful, right? Because you got a great grade. You did really well on the test. You see? So that just shows that our hard work will always pay off. So good job. I appreciate that. And I think again, if I didn't get to your gift, I apologize. But that was mostly all the gifts in the bag. So last one was a card, and oh, another Starbucks card. So thank you. I think this is from Adrian, sixth period. Oh, Adrian, you are a wonderful student to have. Okay. So thank Starbucks card again. That's wonderful. And here, Adrian said, "Thank you, Mr. S, for teaching me all the math. I know now. I missed your jokes and the EQs, EQs from Adrian sixth period. Very thoughtful. Okay, I'm gonna keep the card again, because it goes into my wonderful stash of um, things from students. So thank you very much. So that's about it. That's the unboxing video for all the wonderful gifts that I got from you students at Southridge. Again, I appreciate it a lot. And it's very sad for me to not be teaching you guys in the next coming years, but I know you guys are going to be successful. Again, thank you for all the gifts. Take care.